for this recipe that I'm gonna show you guys how to make, I typically get ground beef and pork, but it's your choice which ground meat you want to get. In the seasonings, if you guys find the Vegeta, the baking soda, and the minced garlic, that's fine. Usually those are the ones that are okay. It's your choice, but the other seasoning you guys saw first, that's called Fant, that's a total option, but if you guys find that too, that's cool. So I'm just putting in the meat and then the seasonings, and I'll mix it up and I'll show you guys how to form them. And with the bread that you guys will see later, you guys can choose any bread at all, as long as you just toast it up a little bit on the grill or however you want. Since making that bread that goes with this recipe, it's kind of a pain to make to begin with. There are plenty of recipes online for it, but as I said, any bread will do with that as well. And hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and let's continue with the tutorial. So in just a couple seconds, you guys will be seeing this veggie spread. It's normally found in European stores. Hopefully you guys have some locally, but I usually getting the hot one. This one's the mild one that I'm showing, and it's used alongside as a dip for the meat. This meat you guys are seeing right now is pre-made, which I bought at a local European store, which is great. And I'll usually cut up some of the onions, and that's basically the whole entire recipe on how to make it and how to serve it, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it.